So as a department, we want to be able to be streamlined and effective and efficient. To be able to roll up on a job site, have all your tools, and to be able to save time and save money is key. To be able to just come into somebody who doesn't have water and repair their water leak, it meets our department goals. So my name is Jordan Oldham, Public Works Director for North Logan City. So success here at the city, is basically making sure we take care of the taxpayer dollar and that we're providing the proper services for the city and for the residents. Before we got decked, our trucks were always a mess. Backseat, a four-door truck turned into a two-door truck because we couldn't ever use the back seats. They were full of the tools that we wanted to protect. The bed of the truck was always a mess. The interior of our toolboxes were always a mess because you couldn't organize, you couldn't find what you were looking for. So you just end up throwing stuff inside. You look in anybody's toolbox, you go to a job site, you look in the back of their trucks, everything's scattered. You're not able to find what you need, you're not able to take care of your tools. You'll have drills out in the rain, out in the snow. There's nothing worse than if it's in the middle of the night and we have a water leak and you can't find the tool you're looking for, but you know it's in there. So you spend 20 minutes in there trying to find it, you're frozen, your hands are cold, and you just can't find what you're looking for. And now, to be able to pull it out, you have a headlamp on or the lights in your truck and you're able to find it, it saves a ton of time and frustration. We came across DECKED probably about 2 years ago. We went through buying new trucks and we didn't want to do heavy modifications to the trucks because we resell, we wanted to have high value at resale, but we needed something that would fit our needs and fit all of our tools. We found the DECKED system was low impact on the vehicle and offered all of the equipment we needed right at our fingertips. The immediate impact, so we had a back seat again. All of our tools are inside of our beds. We're able to keep a clean truck that appears nice for the residents. It looks like we're taking care of our product. Our resale on trucks is going up because we don't have to make modifications for other equipment. The big thing that brought us to this was the protection from weather, from the elements, and the security. When we send someone out for a project, they can grab any one of our trucks and everything's there. So we're able to save some time that way because if I've got my truck, I can respond to a water leak, I can respond to a road repair, I can respond to a sewer backup or an issue at a park. We've got all the tools we need. It's very nice to be able to have everything in there and hidden. We get compliments from residents and from contractors on site that our trucks look good, that everything's clean and organized, and that when they need to get inside of our truck for a meeting, it's always nice inside because all of our tools are in the back. But we have all of our tools we need. Yeah, I would say that because of this, we're more organized, more prepared, and we have everything we need.